everyone, welcome to this class. Let me briefly introduce myself. My first name is Li Yuan and my last name is Gao. And I'm a second year PhD student in computer science. My research focuses on machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. Okay, let's start this class. Today we are going to talk about the hash function. So the first thing we need to know is what is hashing. Okay, hashing is a process of converting input of any length into a data of fixed size using a mathematical function. And in this hashing process, the input data is called a key, and the algorithm used to do so is called a hash function, and the output is called a hash value. There are two basic characteristics for useful hash function. The first one is that each hash value has to be unique. And the second one is secure. The hash value cannot be reversed to determine original data. For example, we have a input text, and we can through a hash function then get the value get the hash value of this original text, but we couldn't get the original text from the hash value. And so the last question is that where can the hash function be used? Okay, hash function can be used to hide sensitive data such as password and payment details and so on. Okay, this is everything for today. I hope you can gain some basic ideas of hash function. Bye.